If your audio is not working in Adobe After Effects, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you some quick and easy steps you can take to fix this issue. Unfortunately, there is not one solution that works for all, so you need to go through each of these steps to find the one that works for you. Now, the first thing we're going to do is check some settings on our computer, and we can do this by heading over to the taskbar down in the bottom right here, and right-clicking on the speaker icon and selecting Open Volume Mixer. Then inside of here, just make sure we have the correct output device selected. For me, it's my laptop speakers and not my microphone. Make sure the volume is turned up to 4 here, and then scroll all the way down to the app section, and just make sure under Adobe After Effects this is also turned up to full. Of course, you'll need to have the application open in the background in order for this to show him. We can then head out of this window, and you're going to come back over to the speaker icon and right-click. This time we're going to select Sound Settings, then come all the way down to the bottom here in More Sound Settings, and inside of the Playback tab, just ensure that your speakers are set here, and make sure this is set to the default device, which we can do by pressing this Set Default button. Then select your speakers and come over to Properties. Inside of the Levels tab, just ensure this slider is set to maximum, and then come over to the Advanced tab, and we also want to disable Enable Audio Enhancements, and then press Apply and OK to save the changes, and then we can close out of these windows. And then what we need to do is launch up Adobe After Effects. And the first thing we need to check is to make sure that our video isn't muted inside of the timeline. And you can do that by tapping this audio button down here. Just make sure the volume icon is showing in this box here, as that displays that the volume is working and not muted. Then inside of this Preview tab from the right, select Audio, and then inside of this Preview window on the right here, just next to the speaker icon, make sure Play Audio in Preview is selected. It should be blue. Then come over to Composition from the top, inside of Preview, and make sure Audio is ticked over here. And then the last thing we need to do is come over to Edit, inside of Preferences, and then select Audio Hardware. And we need to make sure the device class is set to MME, and the default output, you need to make sure this is selected to the correct speakers. For me, it's my laptop speakers here. And then we can press OK to save all of our changes. And that's it, guys. Hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed any issues you're experiencing in After Effects. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.